What's the ab-blasting secret that Hollywood celebrities are using and has been featured on The View? It's the one and only Ab Rocket system.
The Ab Rocket has completely helped transform my body into this summer bikini body that I have today.
It's the ab training phenomenon that's helping people get ripped abs and bikini ready fast, while helping take the stress and pain away from boring ab exercises and make them fun, easy, and effective. Just look at the results these people achieved in just 30 days. With Ab Rocket, the unique design lets you target the exercise right where you want it. The abs. Simply sit and relax on the contoured backrest that supports your neck and back. As you lay back, Ab Rocket's resistance guarantees a gentle landing, so you don't just fall backwards. And the sleek cushion backrest folds down easily to store under the bed or almost anywhere. Plus, the soft rolling cushion technology on the backrest glide back and forth for an incredible massage. Do the signature Ab Rocket crunch, reverse crunch, and oblique exercises to zap love handles and turn that spare tire into rocket hard abs.
The Ab Rocket is definitely your own personal ab trainer. It works from the moment you start, so you don't have to spend as much time working out. And it's not just an ab machine. You can do Pilates exercises with it.
I love the Ab Rocket because it takes all the stress off of my neck, all the stress off of my back, and it's so easy to use.
For ripped abs and to get bikini ready fast, get Ab Rocket and the Ab Rocket Fat Blasting System, complete with meal plan and cardio on DVD to blast the calories. Your personal at-home Ab Rocket trainer is yours to try for 30 days for only $14.95, and we'll even ship it to you for free. And as a bonus, you get 3 Ab Rocket ab ripping classes on DVD that cater to every fitness level. So no guesswork. With Ab Rocket's 30-day rocket hard abs guarantee, there's no reason not to try it. Start to get ripped. Start to see the bikini-ready body you've always wanted with precision isolation. Or return it within 30 days for a full refund. Don't wait. Call now.